Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 1, class C. Want to discuss about principle in accounting. Before we start the discussion, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Almusawira Kufiana.
My name is Andi Azahra Sriwanti.
My name is Nurfita Ramadhani.
My name is Nurfadila Irianti.
My name is Kurniawati.
My name is Sabila Mutiasya.
Okay. First of all, we will explain the principle in accounting first. The first, what is the prudence? What is the prudence concept?
What is the prudence concept? Under the prudence concept, do not overestimate the amount of revenues recognized or underestimate the amount of expense. Also, one should be conservative in recording the amount of assets and not underestimate liabilities. The result should be conservatively state financial statements.
Okay, next.
Explain.
Okay.
Next, what is the going concern principle?
The going concern principle is the assumption that an entity will remain in business for the foreseeable future. Conversely, this means the entity will not be required to hold operations and liquidate its assets in the near term at what may be very low, very slow versus. By making these assumptions, the accountant is justified in deferring the recognitions of creating expense until a later period when the entity will presumably still be in business and using its asset in the most effective manner possible.
Next, the matching principle.
The principle of bringing this together is to match costs with revenues that arise due to this cost. The principle of bringing this together is very useful for determining the amount of net income in each period because the cost must be matched with repeat all of the costs are very dependent of the time of revenue recounting. If there is a delay in the reckoning of an income, then the scope of the sample will also be deferred until the time the revenue is determined.
Okay, next, consistency principle.
Consistency principle, so that the financial statement can be compared with the profit years. The method and procedure used in the accounting process must be applied consistency from years to years, so that is a difference between on item in two period. It can be immediately.
Okay, now number 1. You kan?
The principle is concerned with the timing of recognition of transaction in the account.
Items are recorded when the income or expense are received and are not dependent on the movement of cash.
Who have opinion?
Anyone who have opinion?
I have opinion. Yes, and it's yes, in my opinion, is my answer is the matching triple because is contrasts with the timing of the regulations of transactions in the accounts. And what do you think?
I agree for your opinion.
I have opinion too. In my opinion, statement number 1 belongs to the matching principle because of the definition of recognizing the transaction to be recorded, so that all costs dependent on the recognition.
Okay.
I
so
agree with Zahra.
Me too. Okay, next, number 2. When preparing accounts, one must assess that the enterprise will still be viable in the years to come. Practically all accounting items are affected by this assessment, such as the carrying value of fixed assets and inventories, and the ability to repay the debts and other obligations. Who have opinion?
I
I have
have for
Vita, what is your opinion?
I have opinion for number two. Number 2. The answer is, my opinion is the principal consistency because the word of the company will survive in the years to come, like the principle of consistency because it persists without any change.
masukku.
Okay.
I have two opinion. I think answer number 2 is the going concern principle because the 2 point and the principle of survival have something in common, which says it can survive in the following years.
Okay. Next, number 3.
Number 3. What follows ought be given to the numbers in the account. It is normal to act pessimistically, so that profit and assets are not overstated and expense and liability really valued.
I have opinion. I choose the prudence principle but I feel hesitant because there is explained what value must be given to the numbers. So it can also be the principle of omission. But my answer for number 3, the prudence principle.
I have opinion too. Regarding statement number 3, it discusses what values or account we can enter, so that financial records are not understand or exaggerate. So I think this statement falls into the prudence principle. Anyone have opinion?
Okay, next, number 4.
I have opinion.
Okay, next, number 4.
Okay, number 4. Accounts should be projects assigning the sum principals from one year to the next. Definition from this principle must be noted, and the effect on the account sound.
I of opinion. Basis this account shall be produced assign the same principle from years to next year.
Anyone have opinion?
I also have an opinion. I think answer number 4 is consistency, because the 4 point says accounts are credited using the same principle from one year to another, while the principle of consistency itself is a financial report compared to previous years.
I have opinion too. Statement number 4 discuss how the record keeping and we can be the same every year.
Then repeat.
So in my opinion,
Nomor 4 nih.
the statement can be considered as our consistency toward something.
Who have opinion? Not, okay, I have opinion for number 4. My answer is the consistency principle, because I think it's clear from the question that say using the same principle in the following years, so there's not much to argue about in choosing this 4 point principle. Okay, I think number 1 is answer the matching principle. Okay, the conclusion for this today, number 1 is answer the matching principle. Number 2 is the going concern principle. Number 3 is the prudent principle, and the last number 4, the consistency principle. Okay.
I agree.
Okay. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for discussion. Thank you for question for today. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.